Welcome to the Accessible AI Personalized AI Journey Roadmap offering. Thanks for joining us today. We start by gaining an understanding of your life and career to better understand where AI may easily and organically fit in. Through discussion and sharing examples, we collaboratively explore the best ways that adopting AI can improve your work-life quality, as well as save you many hours per month. The options are endless. We weave throughout the session context that permits us to evaluate the most practical ways you may adopt AI. This could range from using the ChatGPT app in voice mode, to using Zapier to integrate the technologies you use most, or perhaps engaging with goal-specific AI products and solutions. Whatever we decide together, it will hold true to the value of AI simplified. Having established a firm understanding of your skill set, interests, goals, career, and lifestyle, your Accessible AI expert will document your easiest and most effective path to achieving those goals, all in a one-page reference roadmap that's simple to digest, easy to act upon. If you elected to partake of our live follow-up consultation, we'll meet briefly once more to review and discuss your personalized AI roadmap. Our caring and patient experts are at your disposal to make sure your AI journey cuts out dozens of unnecessary hours and delivers value immediately. That's it. You're off and running, gradually integrating AI's amazing creativity, productivity, time-saving 10xing capabilities into your career and life. Now you're part of the Accessible AI family. Take advantage of our blogs, chatbots, books, newsletter, and resources. We exist to make AI easy for everyone. Accessible AI. AI simplified.
I'm Edward Lewis. Join us on this AI journey together. Accessible AI. AI simplified.